You won't believe how easy and quick these are to make. Hey, Bellamy, I'm glad to see you again. Full flavor fairy for these addicting full flavor snacks. The parchment makes it easier to get out of the pan without scratching the bottom. Say, to floop and to the bottle. Hey, wait, you'll need this. You can soften your butter in the microwave. We softened it a little too much. We'll be fine. Mix this with your flour and 1 cup of brown sugar until it looks like Parmesan cheese. I guess you could do this with a pastry cutter or your fingers, but why when you have a mixer? That's a nice cup full of pecans right there. This is a kid's menu, not my disco. Not just any kid's menu, Sugar Pie. This here's the most accurate map of Planet Floop, this side of the Crab Nebula. Follow the spaghetti maze. Ignore that Capricorn warning. And when you see a big neon billboard for half-price llama grooming, take the second asteroid on your right. For the caramel layer, bring to the boil the rest of the butter and sugar. Then let it bubble and burp for 1 minute longer. You want to make sure it's nice and thick. Don't worry if you leave a dry spot. It'll spread out mostly when you bake it. Oh, and caramel is one of my favorite flavors.
Reimagined.
Bake for 18 to 20 minutes. This is more than a rescue now. It's a cosmic comeback. Genie? Yes. It's also drawn in maple syrup. Sticks better in space wind. Now, if you see a floating walrus with a monocle, you're going the right way. Unless he's holding a ukulele, that means turn around immediately. Learned that the hard way in '72. Will turn a golden brown and the caramel will bubble like the geysers on Planet Floop. While it's still hot, spread your chips on top and wait 5 minutes. I know, 5 minutes is a long time. But this is the easiest way to get a thin layer of chocolate on top. We had some leftover chocolate ganache from our black bottom Halloween pie. I think the decoration finishes it off superbly. Let it cool all the way before cutting into 1-inch bars. Then let's write the next chapter before Nadia rewrites the past.
Music licensing